For this video, I will be going over the 1 mile jogging test and 1 mile walking test. The equipment needed for both assessments is a 400-meter track, a stopwatch, pencil and paper, a scale, proper running attire, and a heart rate monitor. The heart rate monitor is optional. The jogging test is designed for 18 to 29-year-old men and women. Jog 1 mile without stopping at a comfortable pace. Men must take at least 8 minutes to complete, and women at least 9 minutes. It is a submaximal, not a maximal test. Therefore, it should not be ran as quickly as possible. Remember, before starting the test, perform a 2 to 3 minute warm-up in order to establish pace. Here are some dynamic stretches I performed before my run. I did butt kicks, high kicks, high knees, and knee tucks. Remember to stretch for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am ready to start my run. I set up my stopwatch and go as soon as I press start. As I finish my 1 mile run, I stop my stopwatch to get my time, which was 8 minutes and 50 seconds. As soon as I finish my run, I start to take my heart rate by placing 2 fingers over my carotid site. The radial site may also be used. Remember, heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. I counted the beats for 15 seconds and then multiplied by 4 to get my heart rate in beats per minute. It was 112. Remember to perform static stretches for 5 to 10 minutes after your jog. Here I am doing toe touches to the right and left leg, calf stretch for the right and left leg, standing toe touches to the right and left leg, and a groin stretch. In order to calculate VO2 max, you must make some conversions. Heart rate is your number of beats recorded in 15 seconds multiplied by 4. This resulted in 112 beats per minute. For your time, convert your run time into seconds and then divide that by 60 seconds per minute to equal 8.83 minutes. Body weight in kilograms is pounds times 0.453592 kilograms. This results in 74.38 kilograms. For the gender category, put 1 for males and 0 for females. The VO2 max formula for the 1 mile jog is listed here above. Make sure to input the values where needed. For instance, body weight in kilograms, time in minutes, heart rate in BPM, and your gender number. Remember, 1 is for males and 0 is for females. In the brackets, perform those calculations first. After that, you can just subtract and add your values, resulting in a VO2 max of 62.384 milliliters per kilogram per minute. According to ACSM guidelines, this is classified as superior. The 1 mile walking test is designed for 20 to 69-year-old men and women. This test is good for sedentary populations and older populations. The goal of this test is to walk 1 mile as quickly as possible without running. Remember, it is a submaximal, not a maximal test. Also remember to perform a 5 to 10 minute warm-up prior to test. Remember to warm up before your walk for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You may use the same dynamic stretches as you did for the run. I go as soon as I start my stopwatch to record my time. As I finish my 1 mile walk, I stop my stopwatch to record my time, which was 13 minutes and 40 seconds. As soon as I finish my walk, I start to take my heart rate by placing 2 fingers over my carotid site. The radial site may also be used. Remember, heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. I counted the beats for 15 seconds and then multiplied by 4 to get my heart rate in beats per minute. It was 88. Remember to perform static stretches after your walk for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The same static stretches for your run can be used for your walk as well. The following are the conversions needed to calculate the VO2 max for the 1 mile walking test. Heart rate, which is the number of beats recorded in 15 seconds multiplied by 4. This results in 88 beats per minute. Time, convert your total time into seconds and then divide by 60 seconds per minute to yield 13.67 minutes for this case. Remember, gender is 1 for male and 0 for females. The formula for VO2 max for the 1 mile walking test is listed above. Input your recorded data for body weight, age, gender, time, and heart rate where indicated. Do calculations in the brackets first, and then add and subtract. This resulted in 58.08 milliliters per kilogram per minute for the VO2 max. According to ACSM guidelines, this is classified as superior.